Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G22. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with none. And now let's select swipe. These were 2 non-security screen locks. Now let's select PIN and enter at least 4 digits. Next, let's select password and enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Now when it's done, let's go to fingerprint, and to set up fingerprint unlock, scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, go to face unlock, set up face unlock, start, and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.